Hey, it's Patrick Grosser with the 513 Flat Fee Real Estate Group at Fathom Realty. You may have heard about our premium flat fee listings through a postcard in your mailbox recently. We'll talk more about those in just a second, but first we're going to look at the Cincinnati real estate market news for year-to-date 2023 versus year-to-date 2022. First of all, new listings are down 22%, closings are down 26%, average sale price is up over 3.5%, average days on market is up 42%, total inventory right now is at 77 days, and active inventory is at 33 days. It is still a seller's market, but not as hot as it was last year. So if you want to sell your home quickly for top dollar, you need a more sophisticated marketing approach, but you don't have to pay a 6% commission to get that. It actually comes standard with our premium flat fee listings. Visit our site at 513flatfee.com to learn more about our service and to find out how much you can save when you sell your home. If you're thinking about buying a home, or maybe you're actively shopping for a home right now, in either case, it's probably no news to you that interest rates are higher than they were the last couple of years. Right now, the national average for a mortgage interest rate on a 30-year loan is 7.22%. That's a lot higher than what we were seeing in the 3s and 4s the last couple of years. It's even ticked up from what we were seeing earlier this year when it was in the 6s, when that was a shock. So it's definitely less affordable to buy a home right now. You compound the mortgage interest rates hiking also with the fact that home prices have gone up 3.5% since last year. That has a compounding effect of it's putting the crunch on home buyers in terms of affordability. So most people budget on a monthly basis, whether a mortgage payment is part of that budget. Obviously, that's eating up more of their monthly budget as interest rates are increasing and home prices are increasing. The only silver lining is that it's actually, in many cases, more expensive to rent than it is to buy, depending on the situation and the area you're looking in. And you actually may have more choices to buy than to rent. Speaking of choices and inventory, we actually have more listings active on the market right now than we've actually had all year, just by a little bit. However, the pace at which those homes are selling is at a near all-time high. And that results in what we see in the active inventory at 33 days, which means it's going to take 33 days for all of those listings to sell if there's no new listings coming to market. So we take into effect, when we do these numbers on total inventory and active inventory, not just how many listings are active and coming soon, how many are pending, but also on looking at the past 6 months and how quickly homes have been selling, how many homes have sold in the past 6 months, do an average of how many listings are selling each day to come up with that number of 33 active days of inventory, which means, or 33 days rather of active inventory, which means it's going to take a little over a month to get rid of that inventory. So that gives you an idea, not only that inventory number that we always quote, of how many listings are, but how quickly homes are selling. So if you're shopping for a home right now, you know there's an affordability problem. There's also an inventory problem. You're not the only one that's dealing with that. You may be dealing with multiple offers and missing out, or you may just not be finding what you're looking for. You're not alone in that. I do recommend that you continue, if you are motivated, you have a strong need or desire to move, and you don't want to rent anymore, that you continue to tough it out, to continue to chase your American dream of owning a home. It will be worth it in the long term. Hopefully rates will go down later. You'll be able to refinance, get in a better position. Definitely budget based on the costs right now and hope for the best for the future. But if you have any questions about how to navigate the market, whether you're buying or selling, what are the pros and cons of each approach in today's market, who has the leverage and in what situation, how can you get the best deal on the home that you're buying, how can you net the most money from the home that you're selling, feel free to reach out to us. You can visit our site at 513flatfee.com, click the schedule a call button. You can also call or text 513-497-8803. I'm Patrick Grosser with the 513 Flat Fee Real Estate Group at Fathom Realty.